Hey guys, so one of my Old Testament classes saw that I had a tab open on my computer that had a chewy granola bar recipe on it, and then they started talking about it and putting it in the chat, and it's a little distracting for class, but it was also kind of funny. And so yeah, in the spirit of quarantine and sharing what we're doing, I'm gonna teach you how to make some yummy granola bars today. So you're gonna mix together basically your solid ingredients first, and then your liquid ingredients, and then mix them together, and then bake it. It's pretty straightforward. So you need oatmeal, lots of oatmeal, and then you'll want a kind of dry cereal. Like a lot of people use Rice Krispies because they're crunchier, but we don't have any, but we have regular Cheerios, so we'll use that. And nuts are optional. So you start out with 3 cups of oatmeal. You can help me, buddy. You can help me stir. Also, Jude is my helper because he's great at helping. Yeah, you can stir it. 1, 2, 3. What do you think? You want to stir it? Here, let me use this one. Yeah, let me use this one. Yeah, let me see this spoon. No, let me see this spoon. Here you go. So we use 3 cups oatmeal, 2.5 cups of dry cereal. Thank you. And again, almonds are optional, but if you want, you can put almonds in it. Yeah, use the spoon. Good job. And a teaspoon of baking soda. Keep stirring it, buddy. You need some more. Can you put this in? Good job. Good job. Can you stir that? Yeah. Keep stirring it. Well, look at the ingredients and make sure I don't forget anything. And then finally, you want 1 cup of flour. I like to use whole wheat flour. You can use regular flour if you want. Let me go get that. Here's 1 cup of whole wheat flour. And now we're gonna stir. Don't touch it yet. So it should look something like this. All right, now our wet ingredients, and then we'll stir them together and it'll be ready. So this is coconut oil. You can use vegetable oil if you don't have any coconut oil, or even butter if you want. But this is 2/3 cup coconut oil. Then we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of honey. And stir it. Oh, Jude, that's right. And then a 1/3 cup of brown sugar we're gonna mix in there. Ooh, good job. Here, let me help you this time. Here, do this one. But let me help you. Yeah. Do that. Do that. No, you gotta leave it in there. No, don't lift it out. Leave it in there. You think that looks yummy? It is yummy. Alright, finally, it calls for 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, but I think it's better if you use almond extract if you have it. So I do 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon almond. Not yet, Jude. Can you wait? Yeah, good job. Good job waiting. All right. And we're gonna stir it all together and then add the chocolate chips and put it in the oven.
You should tell him that you do better like that. He's fancy. Tell that dude doesn't like the Cheerios.
Oh yeah, the reason we have boxes of regular Cheerios just hanging out that we don't use is because we bought a double pack of Cheerios from Costco for Jude to eat. But he doesn't like them. So when we put them in his tray, he just flings them all on the ground and doesn't eat them. So this is also a mechanism to use up boxes of Cheerios that no one eats at our house.
How about the Honey Nut Cheerios?
Yeah, we eat Honey Nut Cheerios. He'll eat those. Alright, so now it'll look something like this. We're just gonna add chocolate chips, put it in the pan, and put it in the oven. So the recipe calls for 2 cups of chocolate chips. We like chocolate chips, but that's a little overkill. So I'm gonna do like a cup and a half-ish. It's not exact science, huh, Jude? If it was, you wouldn't be helping. What do you think? Is it ready? High five. Yeah, good job. Do you want to try a bite before we put it in the pan? What do you think? Did we do a good job? Yep, that's the pan we're gonna put it in. Put it in the pan. You don't need to like pack it down or anything. Just loosely. And put it in the oven at 325 for about 25 minutes. And let it cool before you slice it. And that's it. These are yummy granola bars. So we baked our granola bars for 20 minutes. And then you should let them sit for about 10 minutes out of the oven before you slice them up. And enjoy them.
I done.
Do you like it, Jude? Jude, do you like that granola bar? Yeah.